Hello everyone, this is Abhishek. Today I will discuss seasonal shifting of wind belts and their climatic significance. Generally what happened, the global pressure belts would have been permanent or stationary at their places in the absence of the revolution of the earth. But the position of the earth changes with the sun during a year due to revolution of the earth. At the time of summer solstice, the sun becomes vertical on Tropic of Cancer on 21st June, and thus the global pressure belts and wind belts shifts northward with the migration of the sun. The equatorial low pressure belts, which prevail between 0 to 5 degree latitude in their normal condition, after summer solstice, the equatorial low pressure belt extends 0 to 10 degree latitude, and the subtropical high pressure belt, which prevailed between 30 to 35 degree latitude in their normal condition, that extends 30 to 40 degree latitude after summer solstice, and the pressure belts comes their normal condition at the time of autumnal equinox on 23 September. Autumnal equinox. At the time of autumnal equinox on 23 September, all the pressure belts and wind belts comes their normal position. This is the condition of 21st March when 23 September, when the sun becomes vertical over the equator, and during winter solstice when the sun becomes vertical on Tropic of Capricorn on 23 December. The pressure belts and wind belts shift southward with migration of the sun, and the subtropical high pressure belts, which prevail between 30 to 35 degree latitude, extend 30 to 40 degree latitude in the southern hemisphere, and they come their normal position. All the pressure belts comes their normal position on 21st March when the sun becomes vertical on the equator. This is the shifting of pressure belts. Let's see the climatic significance of wind belts. What the Mediterranean climatic regions, which prevail between 30 to 45 degree latitude in both hemispheres, are characterized by dry summers and wet winters. Due to shifting of wind belts and pressure belts. After all, how the Mediterranean climatic regions are characterized by dry summers and wet winters. Let's see what happened during summer season when the sun becomes vertical on the Tropic of Cancer on 21st June. The subtropical high pressure belts, which prevail between 30 to 35 degree, are characterized by dry trade winds, and these trade winds comes from land to ocean and do not receive rainfall during summer season. On the other hand, when the sun becomes vertical on Tropic of Capricorn during winter solstice, the subtropical high pressure belts, which prevail between 30 to 35 degree latitude in the both hemisphere are characterized by westerlies which comes from over the ocean to land and give much precipitation on the western part of the continents. Thus, the Mediterranean climatic regions are characterized by dry summers because they do not receive rainfall during summer season, and wet winters they receive rainfall during winter time at the time of winter solstice. This is why the Mediterranean climatic regions are characterized by dry summers and wet winters and give much significance to Mediterranean climatic regions.